Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we'll write a JavaScript program to replace all occurrences of a specified number in an array. Let's dive into it. The task is simple. For a given array, we replace every instance of a specific number with another number. This is a common operation in many programming scenarios. This function iterates through the array, checking for occurrences of the target value. When found, it replaces the value with the specified new value and returns the updated array. The logic is straightforward. We loop through the array, check each element, and make the replacement when necessary. By the end of this loop, all matching numbers will have been replaced. In this example, the function replaces all occurrences of the number 2 with 5. This process is repeated until the entire array is traversed. This example demonstrates the function's ability to handle multiple replacements, regardless of the initial array structure. This ES6 version uses let and an arrow function for a more modern approach. The logic remains the same, but the syntax is cleaner and more easy to read. This program is efficient with a linear time complexity, since it processes each element only once. For functional programmers, map can be used to create a new modified array without altering the original. In summary, we've built a robust and efficient solution to replace specific numbers in an array, demonstrating multiple approaches for implementation. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. We'll see you in the next one.